see when I'm looking at my Afro. What's good, y'all? Man, I haven't done this in a minute. Yo, so I'm close to 1 year, man. My 1 year mark will be like a week or two. I don't know, I lost count. That's the only way to successfully grow your hair out. You just forget what day you on. How I grew my hair out this long, man. I'm the black lion right now. I'm still the king of the Afros, you feel me? But look, I grew this shit out, man. Just keeping one hairstyle in for a month or two and just not really touching, not doing nothing to it, man. Not putting no products in it, just leaving it all natural. That's the key to growth, man. So this is, I'll just call this my 1 year, man. Fuck it. Look at that. Let's call this 1 year, man. I came a long way. Let me give y'all a 360 real quick, because this is touching my neck. I'm like, damn, cover my ears, earmuffs. Had the 2 strands twisted in for a month. Took one down, one part down, and then twisted up into a starter log. And then after that, just left it alone for a whole, well, 2-3 weeks. I think 2 weeks. Yeah, 2-3 weeks, something like that. And man, whew, look at this now. That's all you need for growth, man. Just leave your hair alone. The longer you leave it alone, the more growth you'll see. The front, I know, is not as long as other people's shit. Like I said, man, health issues. So my front goes down. You see that? Right there. The other side goes down right there as well. God damn, okay, I see growth, But yeah, man, that's the key to growth, man. So my back, you know, my hair has grown a lot. A lot. Can y'all see that? Let me see. It's right there. Other side. Right there. So, and then in my middle, back here. Almost to my back, man. It's ridiculous what 1 year will get you. This is my first attempt to try a ponytail. I know I can't double it around, but let's just try, man. Let's try. Okay. So one step. Boom. Oh shit. Boom. Boom. I know that shit was ugly, but I can put my hair in a ponytail if I want to. God damn that shit. Yeah, so man, follow my tips and tricks, and man, your hair will get this long as well. So shit, my shit should be long as shit in braids, man. So thank y'all for watching. Subscribe if you already haven't. You know, we out, man.